If you have peripheral neuropathy or any type of nerve damage, you've probably heard nerves heal extremely slow. The reality is nerves are the slowest healing tissue in the body and will only heal at a rate of 1 inch per month. Now, let me put this in perspective for you. The nervous system is so vast and complex that if you were to take all the nerves from a single person and join them end to end, it would stretch around the world 2.5 times. Pretty amazing, huh? Well, maybe not so amazing when you're trying to heal all those damaged nerves. But what if I were to tell you there's a proven technology that can speed up nerve recovery by 4 times? So instead of healing at 1 inch per month, your nerves could actually recover at a rate of 4 inches per month. Now that's a game changer, and it exists. It's called photobiomodulation. Now in today's video, I'll be talking about what is photobiomodulation, how does it work, and how effective is this amazing therapy? So let's dive in. There's a tremendous amount of research that shows infrared therapy can reverse peripheral neuropathy, heal traumatic brain injuries, heal injured muscles and joints, accelerate the healing of fractured bones, and even heal injured discs. It can also accelerate wound healing, including burns. As great as this technology is, there's still some inherent challenges to healing nerves with infrared light therapy. The most significant one being that most of the devices on the market are complete junk and won't work. This leads to frustration, wasted time, and energy. Now, a second challenge is even if you do buy a good unit, if you don't know how to properly use it to stimulate nerve repair and regeneration, you may not get the results you had hoped for. Part 1. What the heck is photobiomodulation? If we break down the word, photo means light, bio means body, and modulation means to improve the function of the cells. In other words, it's the ability to exert a healing or regenerative influence on the body by using light therapy to improve wound and tissue healing, reduce inflammation, and provide pain relief. Now, photomodulation is a form of light therapy which uses photons of light to stimulate the mitochondria. This leads to a cascade of events which increase cellular metabolism, which is the cell's ability to make new, healthier molecules, and it can also decrease pain and accelerate the healing process. Now, this technology isn't new. In fact, the first laser medical procedure was done in 1961. So it's been around for over 61 years and it's been FDA approved. Today, it goes by many different names and you may have heard it referred to as low-level laser therapy or low-level light therapy, infrared light therapy, near-infrared light, cold laser, or photobiomodulation. Okay, on to part 2. How does it work? On a cellular level, here's what happens. The red or infrared light penetrates the mitochondria of the cell. The mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it's the cell's energy factory that makes ATP. ATP is the fuel that powers the functions of the cells, including nerve cells. However, when nerve tissue is damaged, the production of ATP in the cells is impaired, which decreases the nerve's ability to regenerate. The more ATP your mitochondria produce, the more rapidly nerve cells will begin to heal and regenerate. High energy equals fast repair. Low energy equals slow or no repair. The energy or ATP is the catalyst to jumpstart or resuscitate the nerves. Another important point is when the light hits the cells, it begins to stimulate the release of nitric oxide or NO into the bloodstream. NO is important for many aspects of your health, but its most vital function is vasodilation. This means it can actually relax the inner muscles of the blood vessels, causing them to widen and increase circulation. I released a video called The Miracle Molecule that explains everything about mitochondrial health, the role of nitric oxide in nerve health, and how to increase your NO levels. Okay, on to part 3. How effective is infrared light therapy? In 2019, there were over 600 papers written on infrared therapy and over 700 randomized clinically controlled trial studies with at least 150 of those being done on humans. So this treatment has been well researched and proven effective. In fact, it's being used for more than just peripheral neuropathy damage. It's been effective with Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, concussion, traumatic brain injury, stroke, depression, even movement disorders, and multiple sclerosis. Studies investigating the effects of infrared therapy on injured peripheral nerves reported immediate protective effects and increased functional activity on the nerve. Many patients will ask me if they can use their unit more than once a day, how long they should keep it on, or how long they should wait between treatment sessions. These are all great questions. Here's my recommendation for best results. You should use your PBM 20 minutes per day, twice a day. I recommend doing it every day or at least 6 days per week, and the time of day it really doesn't matter. Wait approximately 3 hours between each session. You can use the device as much as 3 times per day, however, more than 3 times per day won't provide any additional benefit. Here's a few more helpful tips for your success. Make sure the treatment is applied directly over the skin and not through clothing. Make sure the surface of the skin is clean and free from lotion or pain cream prior to your treatment. Many of the lotions can sensitize the skin and cause a reaction. Lastly, bear in mind that consistency is the key to success. Consistency in everything for you to be successful. This includes using your PBM device, taking your nerve support formula, following a low inflammatory diet, doing your peripheral neuropathy exercises. Just stay consistent and watch the magic as your legs transform. As always, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this information and you want more like it, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. While you're there, please like us because it really helps us grow our channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified when we publish new content. Until next time, my friends, I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health.